As a presenter or a speaker, it is not just important to come across as professional, but when you get enthusiasm, interest and positive feedback, applause or even a standing ovation, then you know that you've really succeeded. A good presentation relies mostly on your preparation. In fact, 90% of the work should be done beforehand. The other 10% is in your delivery, when you actually make it happen. But how many of you have done it the other way around and put the 10% into your preparation and hope that on the day it would just happen? Unfortunately, it just doesn't work that way. And what it really boils down to is that on the day, you just can't fake it. This is why this workshop is so valuable, as it will teach you everything you need to know in order to prepare yourself, to put on the best presentation every time. So let's look at the objectives of this workshop. Now, the first objective is to become a better presenter, speaker or trainer. The second is to learn everything you need to know in order to prepare yourself properly. And the third is to learn about your stage presence. The fourth is to learn how to keep up interest and not bore the audience to sleep. And the fifth is to learn about confidence, how to deal with nerves and anxiety. And finally, at number 6 is to learn how to handle questions, difficult situations and difficult audience members. So before we start, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. As a trainer, I've been running employability skills workshop for job seekers. Some of the courses I run are interview skills, entering the workforce, customer service skills, effective communication and good interpersonal skills, effective time management and others. I also train corporate clients and small business managers and have put out 2 other training videos, one on improving interview skills and boosting interview confidence, and the second in good customer service skills for successful retailing, with this being my 3rd online workshop. I love doing what I do because it satisfies me and it's rewarding to see how much confidence this kind of training gives my participants. And when my evaluation forms and testimonials come back with positive enthusiasm, I know that I've succeeded in what I've set out to do. And I'm sure that you too will get value out of this training and the desired outcome, as long as you're open and willing to learn, participate and practice. Now let's talk about how this training works. You will notice that the workshop is divided into 3 parts. You can listen to them one after the other or break them up as you wish and do them at your own pace. They can be done in a group session or on your own. The exercises are designed to help to reinforce what you have just learned, and the workbooks are for you to refer to and use as your toolkit.